Welcome guys. In this video I'll be telling you guys some common mistakes you guys are doing, that's why you are not making leads on CPA marketing, and I will show you guys how you can correct it. My name is Abdulhamid. Welcome to Online Mozos channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you are new here and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I have a new video. I've been receiving a lot of comments that I've tried this method, it's not working for me, I get clicks but no conversion. Fine, usually happen, that's normal, okay, because not all clicks turn to leads. But there are some mistakes you guys make, like you guys promote some kind of offers with some kind of traffic source that are not meant to be. Like some of you guys will be promoting sweepstakes on Facebook and the rest. As I've said in my previous video that sweepstakes offer I usually tag as scam and the rest. So try registering on a better CPA platform like Max Bounty, Admin, monetize.co.uk. There are many more, okay? But anytime you want to join this kind of site, check for their review online. It's very easy. Just tap the site and space review. Then check the review. Check whether some people have received payments from them before, okay? Or you can contact me personally through my Instagram. Is in my Instagram profile link is in the description of this video, so check it, tap on it, ask me any questions, sorry, and I will reply, okay? So when you register on those platforms, you see some kind of offer like surveys offer, like all those survey that you say register on Survey Junkie, opinion offer and the rest. They pay high just for them to register. Some are single opt-in, some are double opt-in, okay? So okay, you getting the right offer, that's the first part. Secondly, you getting the right traffic source. It's not easy to just to promote any offer, one, because you usually ban link, and secondly you are using free traffic, so you have to do it in a smart way. And the way doing this smart way that I save is you building landing page, and I've done all that in my previous video. But check the description of this video, I've dropped links of different videos that will actually help you. You just a video just guiding you, okay? So build a landing page. You can build a landing page on Google site, Ucraft, but I prefer Google site because it's simple. But you can also use site like Builder or Aweber, but that your link will look somehow, to be very long, because you are using the free version. Except you use a paid version and you add a custom domain, which is not necessary. I want you guys to spend money on that without making leads, okay? So you can promote offers on Facebook, like service offer, like all those housing offer, insurance offer, okay? Those offers are the one that is converting more. And also if you want to do content local, fine, content local is available for all countries, fine, that's good. But look for a good thing you can log, not that you just find an ebook online just log. People can get ebook anyhow. You can do like this, like a movie, a latest movie, maybe if you were able to download it from a hack site, okay, you can download it, lock it, like upload it on Google Drive, lock the link and share it, show proof that actually you have the film movie, then share the link on Facebook. People actually like fill out offers on the content local because they actually needed the film, not that you want to just pick ebook. And also you can get add apps like KineMaster and Pro, the hack version, or any other thing. Just look for something that you yourself, if you see, you are likely to click on it, okay? Not that you just see ebook, YouTube monetization ebook, you lock it. How many people are interested in that? Because you know that online reading it can't guarantee you that you grow your channel, okay? These are things you just will take notice of. It's not very easy. Put yourself as the viewer shoes. If you see something like this, are you likely to click on it, and are you likely to fill out any offer, okay? So do it in a way that to convince you. If it's able to convince you, surely you will get conversion, okay? So I've been working on new strategy, okay? So I'm working on a new strategy. I'm testing it out so that it's actually going to work, because not all strategy work and some usually take time. And I'll also do a video on how you guys can like start building your audience and traffic on CPA marketing. Fine, from the start you won't be getting a lot of conversion, but long run you start receiving tons of conversion, and that's what we're aiming for. Not the one you just do 1 week you earn, second week it won't work again. No, you don't want that short-term income. Okay, so I hope you guys gain one or two things from this video, because this is just to enlighten you guys on CPA marketing. It's not an hard thing to join, it's not an easy thing to do. Okay, just have to do it tactically. If you are not watching my video, watch my previous video. I showed you guys how I made some income. Okay, I can't be showing you guys on my dashboard all the time. Okay, so watch that. If you have any question, comment below. If you want a help, message me on Instagram. I'm always available. Okay, so thanks for watching. Do give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.